Picture, if you will, the enigmatic play of existence, a ceaseless dance twirling on the precipice of the known and the unknown. It's a narrative we find ourselves intertwined within, yet the essence of it remains just beyond the grasp of our understanding. As we venture through the kaleidoscope of life, we are like wanderers in a cosmic garden, enraptured by the transient blooms of reality which unfold before us. Each moment is a petal falling gently towards the vast, still pond of consciousness, sending ripples across the surface of our comprehension. Our endeavor to understand existence is akin to trying to catch a bar of soap in a bath. The more we squeeze, the more it slips away. Like the ancient Zen masters would often illustrate, it's a pursuit that is at once tantalizing and elusive. Our analytical minds, formidable as they are, often find themselves entangled in a web of concepts, too coarse to sieve the subtle essence of existence. We clutch onto notions of being and time, in a desperate attempt to make tangible the intangible. Yet existence playfully eludes categorization. It is a melodious tune that cannot be captured in notes, a breathtaking sunset that cannot be contained within a frame. The enigma of existence isn't a puzzle awaiting resolution, but a mystic poem inviting us to delve into its boundless verses. Each inquiry we pose, each notion we conjure, are but stanzas in this ever-unfolding poem. The wisdom perhaps lies not in grasping, but in the gentle art of letting go. Letting go of the rigid molds of understanding to embrace the fluid, ever-evolving narrative of existence. It's in the serene acceptance of not knowing that we may catch a fleeting glimpse of the profound. We seek permanence in a realm of ceaseless change, endeavoring to pin down the ephemeral onto the pages of understanding. Yet the elusive essence of existence is like the morning mist, vanishing with the gentle caress of the sun's first rays. The ancients spoke of the Tao, the way of nature that flows with an elegance unbound by the rigid scaffolds of human thought. In attempting to encapsulate the boundless, we often overlook the essence that thrives in the spaces in between, in the silence between the notes, in the unseen choreography that orchestrates the dance of the stars. Each day, we wake to the same world, yet never the same world twice. Each dawn brings with it a fresh panorama of possibilities, a new verse in the cosmic song. The irony is, in our quest for certainty, we often eclipse the profound simplicity that cradles the mysteries of existence. As the sage Laozi whispered through the annals of time, the tale that can be told is not the eternal tale. The name that can be named is not the eternal name. Perhaps the elusive nature of existence is not a riddle to be solved, but a melody to be lived, a rhythm to be danced to. We are the curious children of the cosmos, eyes wide with wonder, hearts brimming with longing. And as we wade through the river of existence, may we remember, the magic lies not in possessing the waters, but in riding its waves, in harmonizing with its flow, in becoming one with the eternal dance of becoming and unbecoming. Let us then, dear friends, with open hearts and quiet minds, embrace the enigmatic embrace of existence. And as we do, may we find that the beauty of the journey is in the seeking, not in the finding. In the wondering, not in the knowing. In the dreaming, not in the awakening. Let the elusive charm of existence guide our steps through the uncharted realms of wonder. For it is in the very essence of not knowing that the heart of life beats with a rhythm most divine.